say for yourself?
Well.
What do you got to say for yourself, Shal?
Oh, I don't know. I feel like I
3 shots or 4 shots of tequila. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Floor still going. We're about to move into the bedroom here. Yeah.
Magic happens.
What?
What?
That's where the what happens? So we're about to move into the bedroom here, but as usual.
I mean, as usual.
Well, because I work in the flooring industry, there's stuff in the room, so we're just going to shift this over so we can get onto this angle here, and I want to continue this angle.
I'm on cleaning duty for the bedroom, so I have to maneuver all this stuff that we have. So moving all that stuff onto the bed, and then what we're going to do is shimmy the bed over to the wall so we can continue the flooring. And then once that's done, we're going to kind of move the bed over to this side of the room and then back again. And hopefully get the bedroom done tonight. So
let me show you what we got done. We got most of the kitchen done. You can see I moved the stove there, and then we got a little bit at the back to do. And then I got to finish there, but see, I've got the diagonals, and that's why we're going to bring it right back into the bedroom here, and that's why we're going to move everything. She looks good, doesn't she? I like her. We have a husky. Okay, this is not because.
Is that a husky or what the fuck is that?
This is not because.
Okay. Is that a husky or what? What is that? Like that can't be just because of the husky.
That's a husky.
Juno, get in here.
Let's clean up the husky. All right. Good to say?
Well, I would say that I can't believe how big this room looks without any furniture in it. Reminds me of when we finished all the walls.
Well, I don't know. We got a few things to finish in here.
Yeah, well, a lot of things to finish in here.
Hey, Kobe? Where's Kobe? All right, so we're gonna get back into the floor so you guys can see that at Mom's feet there. We're in, but we gotta finish. So it's 10 o'clock, oh, it's 11 o'clock. So we're gonna go.
Tequila o'clock.
What?
Tequila o'clock.
What?
Tequila o'clock.
What?
Tequila.
Done. Done the bedroom, done the kitchen. Nice. Definitely your own thing.
It's a jazz flute. What is what I am and what you are, oh what?
This floor looks like hardwood. This is vinyl floor. This is amazing.
what I am and what you are. Oh, what